Have you ever wondered how you can build your own website from scratch? Welcome to the world of website building, a vital skill in our increasingly digital age. A website is more than just a collection of pages on the internet. It's a space where you can share your ideas, sell your products, or even create a community. And the best part? You have the power to create it yourself. That's right. With a solid understanding of three fundamental languages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can construct your own digital haven. HTML forms the skeleton, giving your website structure. CSS is the designer, defining the look and feel. And JavaScript? That's the magic, adding interactivity and dynamism. Building a website may seem daunting at first, but when you break it down, it's just about understanding a few key concepts. Now let's dive into the first concept, HTML, the skeleton of a website. HTML, standing for Hypertext Markup Language, is the fundamental building block of any web page. It's like the framework of a house, giving structure and form to the content. So, what does HTML look like? Well, it consists of elements called tags. These tags tell your browser what kind of content they're dealing with, whether it's a paragraph, a heading, an image, or a link. For instance, the and other tags to create a basic structure. And that's HTML for you. It's the basis of any web page, giving it structure and form. Next up, we have CSS, which is what makes your website look good. CSS, short for Cascading Style Sheets, is the fashion designer of the web development world. It takes the bare-bones structure created by HTML and transforms it into a visually appealing and stylish masterpiece. Imagine a plain, text-based web page. Now think of a web page with different font styles, vibrant colors, and a well-arranged layout. That transformation is all thanks to CSS. Here's an example. Let's take a basic HTML element like a paragraph. With CSS, we can change its font style, color, size, and even the space around it. You simply write a rule in your CSS file specifying the changes you want, and voila! From changing the background color of your web page to arranging your content in neat columns and rows, CSS is your go-to tool. It's like painting a canvas, but your canvas is a web page. With CSS, your web page goes from a skeleton to a fully dressed, stylish entity. Finally, we have JavaScript, the magic that brings your website to life. JavaScript is a powerful scripting language, essential for creating dynamic, interactive websites. It's the engine under the hood, powering animations, form validations, and even real-time updates. Imagine a website where you can see new comments pop up without refreshing the page, or a form that alerts you instantly when you miss a required field. That's JavaScript at work. JavaScript is the magic wand that adds life to your website, making it interactive and dynamic. Now that you know the basics, why not start building your own website? There's a world of creativity at your fingertips, waiting to be unleashed. Don't be daunted by the complexity. Embrace it. Let these concepts of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript be your tools, your paintbrush for the canvas of the web. Practice, patience, and persistence will guide your journey towards mastery. Remember, the only way to get better at building websites is to start building. So, why not start now?